Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw USDT from Coinbase wallet. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Coinbase wallet and then you just have to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to tap on the cash out button and it will show you that you are being redirected to Alchemy Pay to complete the cash out process. So here you need to press continue and you need to wait for some time until you are redirected on the provider's official website. Over here you just have to enter the crypto that you want to sell, which in our case is USDT. So you just have to tap on this drop down button and here you need to select USDT. After that you will have to select your own currency and then you need to select the receiving fund payment method. So by default it has selected the credit card, but it actually depends on country to country. So you just have to select your country and see which receiving fund option is available here. So whichever is available, you just have to simply select it, then enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer. After that it will show you the equivalent amount of money that you are going to get. So here you need to tap on the sell USDT and then you need to tap on open. After that you just have to tap on proceed and it will ask you to create your account on Alchemy Pay. So over here you just have to simply create your account on it by providing your email address, your password and some of other details as well, and then you just have to simply get the payment into your bank account after selling USDT. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.